What's up guys, welcome to the Rosea Smart Hustle channel. I'm so delighted to bring you another video, and in this video I'll be showing you 3 apps that can earn you money passively. So you have to watch this video to the end so you can see how this app works and how you can use them to make money. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let me show you how the apps work. So guys, this is the app here on Play Store. As you can see, I already have it installed, so it's just asking me to play. I'm just going to show you the process of signing up on this app. It's very easy, it's very straightforward. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on play, so it takes me there. And then once it brings you like this, you have to select the language in which you want to operate this app. All right, so that's the first page you're going to see before this. So you just select English, or you select the language, your preferred language, but I selected English. It brings you this interface, okay? And here you can see what is written. It says, welcome to Givi Videos, unique, awesome platform for watching videos and earning money. Listen to your favorite songs and podcasts and receive coins for staying in the app and earn as much as you can money. Collect coins and withdraw directly to your PayPal account or other virtual wallets. Once you get a minimum amount of coins to cash out, your coins will be automatically exchanged into USD, and then you will be able to withdraw them in the exchange tab. All right, so I'm just going to click on continue. All right, click the button below and then you now click continue, and then it brings you in here. So this is the app. It's very easy to use, it's very straightforward. So you can see a lot of videos here. All you need to do is just scroll and look for your favorite videos. You can even see this Nigerian actors here, comedians here. All right, so you see others right here. You can see the video here. So there's so much to watch and listen to on this platform to earn money. All right, so you earn points and then you can convert the points to what you want. All right, so guys, this is how to just get started on this platform. So the next thing is for you to pick your videos, any video that you want to watch. You just watch the videos and then you make money. So for instance, I want to watch this video right now. I'll just click on it. All right, okay, so let me not bore you with this, but basically that is it. You just play like that, and then you can actually add these videos to playlist. So you create your own playlist, and then whenever you want to watch, you can come and watch from your playlist, and you earn some coins that you can withdraw so that is how this platform operates, guys. So it's very easy, it's very straightforward to use. So it's one of the apps that can earn you money. Okay, so here you just watch videos and then you make money with this app. All right, so I'm going to show you the next app with which you can make money. All right, so this is the next app which you can make money. It's called Crypto Tab. It's called Crypto Tab. So this particular app helps you to earn free Bitcoin. You can mine Bitcoin for free and then you earn with this. I've been using it for quite a while and I've been making money. You can see I have a session running. I have a session running right here, mining for me. This is cloud mining. All right, so I've made some withdrawals here. So I'm just going to show you the previous withdrawals I've made on this particular platform so you can see. I made withdrawal from this platform to my Roku wallet. So I'm just going to show you. I'll just go to withdrawal. Okay, so even if you'll see very well, you can right here you can even see my wallet is here. My wallet is here. My Bitcoin address is there because I've made withdrawal before, but I'm just going to show you from the withdrawal history so that you will know that I have done this before. So I'll just go to payment history down here. I'll click on it so you can see the payment history. So all right, you can see the payment history. I've made withdrawals in the past. You can see this one. This is 15th May 2021. This is July 2021. So I've made withdrawals, and then you see this one here is October 2021, and here December 2021. So that tells you how long I've been using this app. Okay, I actually didn't take the app quite seriously, but I discovered that the little Bitcoin that I was able to mine from this place, I withdrew it and it was helpful at some point, and I decided to take it seriously, and I'm back, you know, on the app again. So that's why I'm showing you that there are apps you can actually earn legitimate money. So this is another app. So it's very easy to get all this app. You go to the Play Store and you are able to download this app. But this app, you will not download it for free, completely free. You just have to pay a little token so you can get the app. All right. So for this particular one, you can see it is Crypto Tab Pro. So when you get to Play Store, you will see Crypto Tab Lite. Please do not download the Lite. It's not because the Lite is not good, but it won't earn you Bitcoin as fast as the Pro. So for the Pro, you pay a little token. If you're a Nigerian, you're going to pay say about 2,000 naira. It's about say $4. 2,000 naira is about $4. Okay. So you're going to spend at least 2,000 naira. It's about 1,950 or thereabout, but let's just say you're spending 2,000 naira. You are going to have access to this app, and then you can use this app to mine free Bitcoin. Now this platform has another one. Okay, they now have the Max. You can see it right here. You can see the Crypto Tab Max. Okay, try Crypto Tab Max now for free. But I've not done this because I've actually checked the review on the Max to see, and I discovered that there's no much difference between the Max and the Pro, so I decided to stick to this Pro. But if you look at this place, you can see Cloud Boost here. So if you want to boost so you can have a faster hash rate or mine faster, you can easily do that. So I'll just take you here to look at the rate. So you can see this one right now that we're using, the hash is just 1,500. It's 1,500. Okay, so you can choose to increase it. If you look at the Cloud Boost multiplier, you have 1x. So at this moment, I'm mining at 1x. So you can choose to increase your Cloud Boost. Okay. So when you come to this point, you can see the boost that you have. You have for 1 month. So you have for 1 month, you have for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So that is what you have. If you, whichever one you decide to use, it is available to you. And the one that I have tried, the only one I tried 1 month on 2x. I tried 1 month on 2x. Yeah, it worked for me. Okay, you can see the amount here that you spend if you are doing 2x boost for 12 months. You'll be paying about 958, or let me say 959 naira. So you spend about 1,000 naira. So, but the one I tried, like I said, I tried just for 1 month. So if you click on the 1 month, you will see the price for the 1 month. You will see you're spending approximately 2,000 naira again to boost 2x. If you're doing 1 month on 5x, you can see the amount. If you're doing on this, you will see the amount. You can pick whichever one you want. Okay, but for me right now, I'm mining completely free. I chose to mine for free. I tried the 2x boost 1 month. Yes, I paid. It worked for me, but I didn't quite see so much difference in what I made from the boost. Yeah, I don't know, maybe my expectation was too high, I don't know, but I prefer to do this and mine for free and then just be patient with it and keep mining. So that is what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I've mined some already. Okay, I just don't want to withdraw it yet. I said let me have, I just want to mine some more so I can put them all together and have something tangible when I'm making the withdrawal. Okay, so guys, this is another app that can help you earn money. So I'm going to show you the third app that can earn you money. Okay, so let's get to the third app. So guys, the third app I want to show you is another crypto mining app, and it's called Storm Gain. All right, so I'm just going to click open. So we got into the app. I have the app installed already. Okay, so it's loading. It's the third app that can make you money. All right, so all you need to do once you install the app, you just verify your email, and every other thing you'll be asked to do is very simple and straightforward. And the minimum withdrawable is 10 USDT, as you can see it. And then if you look at what I have here, it's quite small, but I have here. Okay, so this shows you that you can actually earn from here and take it. So now all you need to do is just to tap this round circle here. Okay, I didn't start another mining session because I wanted to use it to show you how to earn with this app. So all you need to do is you click on this, you tap on this this green circle here, and then you start a mining session. Okay, and for you to mine, you need to ensure that you click on this point is on this miner. It is not on either trading or any of these options that are below here. You just have to ensure that it is on miner. All right, so you don't have to allow it to be on wallet, on exchange, or okay, because if you go on exchange, you will look at, you see the exchange platform here, what you're exchanging from what to what. Okay, you want to, by the time you want to withdraw, you can choose to exchange from USDT to Bitcoin, or you can choose to exchange it to something else that you want. Okay, so you have the options here. So whatever currency you are exchanging from, whatever currency you have here to the one that you want. You can also deposit here, so you can buy cryptocurrencies that you can use for trading. You also have the trading platform here, so you can actually trade. Okay, you can actually trade. So you do not have any active trades because I do not have any trade right here. Okay, but these are your trading instruments. These are the things you have for trading and all that. So you can just go through the platform and see. But basically, I'm concerned about mining and earning cryptocurrencies for free. That is what I'm really concerned about. So I'll come here and be on miner, so I can just tap on this and the session starts. And every mining session here takes about 4 hours. So I'm just going to solve this puzzle. I'm going to solve this puzzle just by dragging here and let it just fit in. Okay, now it didn't fit in properly. If it doesn't fit in, it's not going to mine. So I'll just fix it in and make sure it's there. And then you can see it's verified. So the mining session has started. As you can see, it's about 4 hours here. After 4 hours, this session is going to end, and then you have to click to start again. Okay, so that is how these apps work. You can see that it's mining, and you can withdraw this. You can even use it to trade. This is the third platform that can earn you money. So guys, I'll be bringing you further apps and websites that can earn you money, legit money like this. These are not scams. These are legit, and they can earn you, because when you mine, you can easily sell your cryptocurrency and make money with it. So guys, this is what I have for you for this video. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for always giving me support on this channel. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for watching the video to this point. And you might want to click the subscribe button so you can subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified each time I post a new video like this. Please smash the like button if you got any value from this video. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I'd like to get your comments in the comment section, your experiences with these apps, and tell me if you're making money by the time you install, if you're making money or not, and tell me what you think about these apps. All right guys, so thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.